In this module, we are going to talk about labor migration in Asia. Asian migration within the region and from other continents has dominated internationally for decades. Migration from Syria, Afghanistan, and Myanmar has become controversial in the last few years. Over the past 20 years, Asia has been an important region of both destination and origin. But if you could see that American forces are living in Afghanistan, but making it controversial that people from Afghanistan should not come and reside in America. It is an irony that American forces making a bombardment in Afghanistan and people are forced to go abroad, especially to America, for earn for earning their better prospects of life. But they are barred. Why America does not think that if it itself withdraw its forces from Afghanistan and let the people live as per their conditions where they could live peacefully and earn their livelihood more calmly and quietly without moving outside the borders. Labor migrants migration from Asia was almost paused in 2016 due to increased oil prices in 2015. The decline in oil prices transformed the economic situation in the Middle East. Middle East is considered as the main destination region for Asian workers, and it is also causing that brain drain which is more skillful in Asia and Middle East, attracting that skillful social capital from the surrounding countries or nearby countries and exploiting that labor for earning more benefits out of their businesses. This slide shows that outflows of workers from selected Asian countries from 2007 to 2016. You could see all the years and then Bangladesh, Cambodia, People Republic of China, PRC, India, Indonesia, Laos PDR, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, and Vietnam. That how different in different years there was outflow of workers was going on from 2007 to 2016. The Philippines has long been the top ranked country of origin of labor migrants in Asia. However, in 2016, the number of Filipino workers declined by 8% from 2.545 to 2.24 million. Labor migrants from Pakistan were at peak in 2015. Migration of Pakistanis also declined to 11%. The trend of the rising wages in India has contributed to decline in international migration. If you could see that India, Philippines, and Pakistan all started declining in last 5 years for immigration, especially towards the developed countries, because their native lands were paying as much that they could sustain their families successfully. So it is categorically obvious that if any country gives as much salaries to its people that they could sustain their family members easily, they would never leave the country. Look at this slide, it is showing the share of women among labor migrants by origin country 2016, our latest year. These are the selected Asian countries. And you could see Nepal having the less number of women migrants, Bangladesh, and then Thailand, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, slightly over than Myanmar, Vietnam, Cambodia, and then Philippines and Indonesia is the highest number of women which are migrating from the country.